These lectures, which will be published by the University of Virginia Press, will make Mercer a key site in the national conversation about the importance of the liberal arts.
If language is to be a means of communication, there must be agreement not only in definitions, but also in judgments. What we call measuring is partly determined by a certain constancy in the results of measuring. Consider a form of measurement that lacks such constancy, the calling of balls and strikes in baseball. The very vocabulary of the game embodies the imprecision of the measurement. A ball can paint the corner of the plate. The zone can expand or shrink. A television screen can offer more apparent precision by superimposing a box. But then we have to accept the accuracy of the box's dimensions and placement and the positioning of the dots that represent pitches. At some point, if there's to be a game, we have to accept what the umpire says. In the old story, the base runner looks up from his slide at the umpire and asks, "What am I?" The umpire replies, "You ain't nothing till I say so."